Apple just pulled a fast one on us. Today, at a surprise spring event, they unveiled the Vision Pro 2, lighter, louder, and ready to blow your mind by late 2025. Think the first Vision Pro was wild? Stick around because this upgrade's about to change the game, and we've got the inside scoop. What's up, Tech Squad? Welcome back to GadInsider. Apple just dropped a bombshell at their spring event, an early peek at the Vision Pro 2. After the original's $3,500 debut last year, fans have been begging for more. Well, Apple's listening, and this sneak peek has us hyped. Let's break down what went down today. So what's new with the Vision Pro 2? First, it's lighter, way lighter. Apple showed off a redesigned frame, trimming the chunky 650-gram heft from the original. No exact weight yet, it's a game changer for comfort. Imagine wearing this for hours without neck strain. Yes, please. Then there's the audio upgrade. They're calling it next-gen spatial audio with beefier speakers and smarter sound mapping. Picture this. You're in a virtual concert and every note feels like it's swirling around you. Apple demoed it with a mind-blowing surround sound clip. Under the hood, rumors point to an M5 chip, a big leap from the M2, promising snappier AR and smoother multitasking. Oh, and that late 2025 release? Mark your calendars, it's dropping just in time for the holidays. Why is this reveal shaking things up? The original Vision Pro was a tech marvel, but heavy and pricey at $3,500. Hosts on X are already screaming, lighter is better, and they're right. A slimmer design could mean more people diving into spatial computing without feeling like they're lugging a brick. That audio upgrade, it's not just fluff, it's Apple flexing on rivals like Meta's Quest 3, which can't match the immersive sound. Late 2025 feels far, but this early tease shows Apple's playing the long game, refining what fans loved and fixing what they didn't. At this rate, Vision Pro 2 might finally make mixed reality a must-have, not just a niche toy. Okay, let's dream big. You've got Vision Pro 2 on your head, lighter, sounding unreal. What's your move? Hosting a virtual dance party without spatial audio? Building a 3D masterpiece at work? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments.